create mockups like this in Canva. Create a new project, click App section, and type Mockups. Click the mockup button and then look for a mockup that you like. This time, I'm looking for a mockup that evokes communication or connection. Let's see what we can find. Click a chosen mockup and let's try to find a few more. I think I like this phone case and maybe a tumbler. Gotta move it over here to the left and the phone case to the right. And for this one on the top. The next thing we'll do is to place the design in the mockup. So I've made and uploaded mine, and here's how we attach it. Head over to the upload button and click our design, move it over to the mockup, and there you go. Let's do it for the two remaining mockups. We're almost done. Now let's edit those little imperfections. Head to edit and you'll see your image right here. Let's adjust it a bit, and once you're satisfied, click apply changes. There you go. That's it for the other one. Stretch it, and apply changes. There you go. Now let's give this one a little bit of excitement. Let's make it seem like it's floating. Maybe here. Alright. For this one, we'll need to remove the background. So I've pre-made it and I've uploaded it already. So let's delete it and use the saved one. By the way, removing background is a pro feature of Canva, so you might need pro. So let's stretch it like this and then click edit image and then remove background. I also wanted to use the main design as the background for the entire project, so I'm gonna place it right here, give it a little stretch, and on this side too, and let's put it in the middle, right? Then let's place it at the back. So layers and send to back. Now let's give it a little adjustment so it looks nice, and once you're done and satisfied, we can now download our work and share it to the world. Ready to elevate your brand's visual identity? Penji offers unlimited graphic design services to give your designs a professional touch. Visit penji.co to see how you can achieve more. Thank you for tuning in.